Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create local user in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. In this tutorial I am going to show you all possible ways to create local user. The first way is to click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. Now click on Accounts. Now scroll down. Click on Other Users. Now click on Add Account. Now click on I don't have this personal sign in information. Now click on Add User without Microsoft account. Now type the username. I'm typing Aris and enter the password. Re-enter password. Now scroll down. The security question. Security question 2. Now security question 3. You have to choose your answer at your own. Now click on next. Look, the account has been added. Now click on the drop down menu and click on change account type. Look, by default the user is a standard user. You can change the type as administrator. Okay, now click on OK. Close settings. Now I'm going to show you the second way to create a local user. Right click on Start menu. Click on Run. Now type net plwiz. Now click on OK. Now click on Add. Now click on Sign in without Microsoft account. Click on Local account. Type a username. Type a password. Confirm password. And then password hints. Click next. Now click on finish. Look, the account is added. Now click on advanced tab. Advanced user management. Click on advanced. Click on user. This is your newly created user. Double click on this user. Click on member of. Now click on add. Type administrator. administrator. Now click on check name. Now click OK. Now the account is an administrator account. Click on apply, then OK. Now close local user and group. Now click on OK. This is the second way. Now I'm going to show you the third way. Right click on Start menu. Click on Computer Management. Now expand local user and group. Click on Users. Now right click on empty area. Click on New User. Type the username. Now the password. Type confirm password. You will find 4 options. Number 1 option is user must change password at next login. Second option, user cannot change password. And third option, password never expire. And fourth option is account is disabled. First, uncheck this option and I'm selecting password never expire. Okay, now click on create. Now click close. Now the account has been added. Right click on the account and click on properties. Click on member of. Click on add. Now you can add this account to the administrator group. Administrators. Then click on check names. Now click OK. Now the account is a member of administrators group. Now click on apply, then OK. Close computer management. Now I am going to show you the fourth way to create local user. In search, type CMD. Right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Now I'm going to resize the font size of command prompt. Right click on address bar and click on properties. Now click on font and I'm going to maximize the font size. Okay. Now type net username. Then I'm typing password. Now slash add. Now hit enter. The command is successfully completed. Make the user as administrator, net, local group, administrator, now username, John. Now /add. Now hit enter. So the command completed successfully. That means the user has been created. Now I'm going to check my users. Close the command prompt. Right click on Start menu. Click on Computer Management. Click Expand Local User and Group. Click on User. Look, all my users are added. This is Alice. This is John. This one is local user. This one is Tommy. I have shown you 4 possible ways to create local user account in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.